Dear students, in the previous class we discussed about the chapter name large number. In that large number, first we discussed about numbers, and in the numbers how to write the numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 9. So how to put the comma in Indian system and in international system. For example, 7, 6, 2, 3, 8, 4, 5. For 3 digits we have to put the comma. It is international system. And to read this, here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 2,46,839, and it is, what is this here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, and what is this? Lakh will be not there in international system. It is million. Okay. So in this class today we have to discuss about international system and in Indian system, how to say and how to read the numbers. Okay. But in previous class we learnt about numbers and how to put the comma and expanded form. For example, for this number, see, it is in lakh place, 2 into lakh. Okay. Plus, and here 4 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus what is that? 8 into, it is in which place? 100 plus 3 into 10 plus here 9 into 1. So it is the expanded form of this number. This we have discussed in the previous class. Okay. But today we have to discuss about here. What is here? It is place value of Indian system and place value of international system. Okay. I think you have learnt about Indian system and international system, but you have forgotten. So once again I will explain you. Okay. Here see, large number. So let us recall the Indian and international place value chart that we studied in class 4. Did you forget? Remember it. Okay. It was there. Do you know? See here. How to write it? First, unit or ones. Okay. Ones. Next, tens. Next, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Here for example, here 2, 4, 3, 1, 6, 8, 9, 1. Okay. So how to read this number now? See, 19 crore, 80, say, see here, you write any one number or you do one thing. Write 9 only. Okay. 19 crore. And here, say, what is this number? 98 lakh. See here, in 10 lakh place, 9. Here, this 10 crore place 1, and here crore place 9. So 19 crore, 98 lakh, and 10,000 place. What is the number? 6, 1000 plus 1. So 61,000. Next. 100 plus. What is the number? 3. Tens plus 4. Ones plus 2. Did you understand? So here 2, 4, 3, 1, 6, 8, 9. But before this I forgot to write here. So for that sake I had written now. Understood? It is 9 here. Crore plus 9. Don't get confused. And 10 crore plus 1. So here it is 19 crore 98 lakh 61,342. How to put the comma now? It is in Indian system, isn't it? Put for 3 numbers. First, then for 2 numbers. That means for 2 digits. Okay. Now it will be easy to read this. Understood? And these all things I had told you in the previous class, how to read the number, and even in the 4th standard also you read this, isn't it? You discussed it and you learnt. So once again you are learning in the 5th standard also. So it is 19 crore 98 lakh 61,342. And here, so next, did you understand about Indian system? So one more thing is international system, the international place value chart. So international place value same as it is will be there, ones, tens, okay, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000 also will be there. Okay. Next. And lakh will be not there. It is million. And next 10 million. Next 100 million. Okay. So say any number. 3, 2, 1, 4, 6. It is 10,000 plus. Don't get confused. Two, 3, 1, 6. Okay. So how to read this number? In 100 place it is 100 million place is 6. So 600 million. It is 600 million. Okay. That means and 13. So 613 million. How to read? Can you understand? 613 million. Then 264,000. Next, say. Try to remember at least. Next, here, what is the number? In which place? 100 place. It is easy to see, no? 123. So, how to put the comma? If you put the comma correctly, it will be easy to read. Okay? For 3 digits, you have to put the comma. Isn't it? So, how to read now? See, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And here it is not lakh. It is international system. So, million, then 10 million, 100 million. So, 613 million, 613 million 264,000, isn't it? It is 264,000. And then 100, 123. Okay. Did you understand difference between Indian system and international system? Place value chart. So next, here read this one more example. First one example. Write the expanded form of what is the number? How to read? First of all, you have to think it is Indian system or international system number. See, after 3 digits starting and next for 2 digits. So it is Indian system. Okay. What is the number? 5 1 2 0 4 7. And where they are putting the comma, put properly. Then you have to write it in the expanded form. Expanded form. Here 5 is in which place? See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. What it is? Lakh. So 5 into lakh. Okay. Then next, see how many zeros? But it is 10,000. So you have to write one more zero. Then plus. And here 1 is in which place? 10,000 place. 1 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 0 into what it is? 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Okay. And this can be written as say what is the number? 5 lakh. 5 into lakh. What is that? 5 into 1 lakh means 5 lakh. Okay. Plus. And say 1 into what you had written? 1 into 10,000. So 10,000. Then think and say plus. Next 2,000 plus 40 plus 7. So if you are adding these numbers, you must get this number. Okay, 5,12,047. So this is the expanded form of 5,12,047. 47 means, see here we must write this 0. But while saying, you will say that 5,12,047. You will forget to write this 0. You should not forget. You must write this 0 because in 100 place 0 will be there. Okay. Did you understand till here? Okay. Enough today.